I guess you've realised I've come here to educate you. That's me, Professor Parker. I've had to come up here at work tonight because they can't afford to pay me at the college. I'm not kidding you, money's tight, even my printer's going through a bad spell. A bad spell. Never mind. The reason I have come tonight is to educate you and teach you magic. Because most people don't realise how wonderful magic can be. And I'm going to teach you all the technicalities of magic. By the way, I would like to warn you before I start, I've noticed a few glimmers in a few eyes out there. I'm married. Been married for 53 years. And it only seems like yesterday. I wish it was tomorrow, I'd cancel it. Now I married a lovely woman. Got everything a man wants. Muscles, a moustache, job on the railroad. Lovely woman. But there's nothing I wouldn't do for her. Nothing she wouldn't do for me. That's what we do, nothing for each other. I tell you though, I'm talking about her, but she dresses well. Should have seen her when I left Victoria today, dressed in purple to match her varicose veins. She looked gorgeous. But I must get on with the magic. Because if you want to be a magician, you need one thing. Got a drip going on down there. You need a magic wand. And all you have to do is wave your magic wand like that. Can you do that? Watch carefully. Wave your... It's all right, I can fix it. I'm a magician. See you. Never mind, you don't need that. What you need is one of these. A magic wand from the Acme Magic Wand Company. This is a marvellous wand, they're guaranteed for 15 years. I bought this one when I was 16 and they told me that wouldn't happen until I was 75. Now they're guaranteed for 15 years, but never mind.